Welcome to the Google Cloud Platform Data Storage course. In this course here, we're going to talk about the different options, features, and capabilities around Google Cloud Platform storage. Let's proceed and discuss more about the course. But before we get started, let's do an introduction to your instructor. My name is Joseph Holbrook. I've been a cloud architect and a cloud consulting trainer for quite a while, focused on Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services. Before that, I worked as a pre-sales engineer and a data services engineer, mainly around EMC and HDS technologies. Let's proceed and talk about the prerequisites. Hopefully, if you're taking this course, you have a good understanding of what cloud technology is. You have a basic knowledge of Google Cloud. You're willing to learn more about GCP data storage, and that you have a free trial account or free tier with Google Cloud. Now, just be aware that depending on your geography, you may or may not have eligibility to a free tier. I understand in Europe, a lot of countries have VAT taxes, and even though it's free, you still get taxed on it, and therefore some of that availability may not be there. With that said, hopefully you can find a way to follow along. In this course, let's talk about the agenda. Module 1, we're going to go through the introduction right now. Module 2, we're going to talk about data storage as a whole in GCP. We'll talk about the 5 major services that Google has around data storage. Module 3, we're going to talk about principles around data storage, such as availability, reliability, and other capabilities that you may want to be aware of around Google Cloud Storage. We'll talk about data storage security. Module 5 will focus mainly on cloud storage, and then Module 6 will do a demo. We'll proceed on to Cloud SQL, and then do a demo on Cloud SQL. We'll proceed over to Data Store and do a demo on that as well. Then we'll go ahead and get over to Cloud Bigtable in Module 11. Module 12, we'll touch on Cloud Spanner. Module 14, we'll talk about persistent disks. Just a note, I don't have Module 13 in there just because some people consider that an unlucky number. Module 15, we're going to talk about data storage migrations, how you can get your data from in-house, or let's say as well as Amazon or another provider, to Google Cloud. We'll talk about Google Data Transfer capabilities, and we'll do a demo on Google Data Transfer as well. Lastly, I'll follow it up with some short conversations on some resources I think are useful: Qwiklabs, CodeLabs, and Stack Overflow. Let's go ahead and talk about the objectives. Objectives of the course is to help you get an understanding of GCP data storage, to help you plan and assess data storage requirements. Remember that even though Google has a fairly decent portfolio of data storage options and services, not every one may be the right choice for what you're doing. We'll help you understand some of the features. We'll also show you how to use some of the storage capabilities in the Google Cloud Platform, such as Cloud Storage or Cloud SQL. When it comes to the Google Cloud Platform, just be aware that Google has both services that are managed and not managed. When it comes to infrastructure, that is more hands-off. When it comes to software as a service, that is more that's hands-off, and then infrastructure as a service is more hands-on. Then when we get to platform, that's, again, more sort of in the middle, where you could control the solution to a degree. We'll talk about how storage fits in here, whether that's a low ops or is that more of an IT ops, and some areas you may want to look at. GCP has an exciting portfolio. Let's proceed and talk about it.